Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Calculus News with me, NURIN, and my partner, Isha Nabila.
Thank you for making Calculus News your #1 news in the world. Among the main topics today is that most students have difficulty solving differentiation problems.
There are few students nowadays have difficulties to solve problems involving differentiation. This issue is not a new thing for us. It happened many more years ago. As we know, application of differentiation is the method of differentiation that we use in our daily life. Differentiation exists because it helps students in understand and apply both content and also process in their learning. We can use differentiation to determine if a function is increasing or decreasing. It is increasing if its derivative is always positive. For example, in real life in the field of economics, the concept of derivative is extensively used in economics and managerial decision making, especially in solving the problems of optimization, such as those profit maximization and etc. One of the lessons in the application of differentiation is related rates. NURIN, AININ, SOFIA has the report.
Thank you Izzati and Isha from Sri Desa. Now, I'm at UiTM TAPAH. I heard there are so many students that are having a problem with this differentiation topic. So I'm here to ask by myself and to help them to solve this question. So I will interview a student to ask her what is her biggest problem in this topic. So with me now, a student from Faculty of Applied Science from UiTM TAPAH. So what is your name?
Okay, so my name is Sarah.
Okay, Sarah. So can you explain to me and other people what is your problem in solving this differentiation topic?
So me and my friends have learned about this differentiation topic the past 2 days, but we don't really understand about this, the concept itself. So especially the part of related rates. So I have a problem of solving one of this question about related rates, and sadly we have quiz tomorrow. So I hope there is someone that can help me to solve this question for related rates. So this is the question. I really hope there is someone that can help us to make us more understand about this topic.
Okay, thank you, Sarah. The problem that has been told by Sarah is not a small problem. It's quite a big problem. So, the question now, who can help these students and how can the person help this student? This is NURIN and SOFIA reporting from UiTM TAPAH. Back to Sri Desa.
Thank you, NURIN, AININ, SOFIA. We just got the news that the professor from Xavier University wants to help the students to solve the problem of differentiation. Hello, Professor Nisa.
It is already on air, but I'm not... never mind. Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Professor Nisa. I saw the calculus news just now and I found out there are some teenagers who are having trouble solving the question. I think that the question of application of differentiation, right? Let me see first. Okay, I'm right. So, the question was very easy. We had to really understand the concept of differentiation, especially in this related rate. So, without wasting time, let me show you how to solve this problem. First thing first, in maths, it doesn't matter if it maths or at maths, we must highlight the important points first. So, in the question already told that width is x meter, length is 2x meter, and height is 2 meter. Besides, the width expanded at the rate of 0.01 mh-1, which is dx over dt. So, the question asks to find the rate of change of the surface area, which is dA over dt, when the volume is 36 meter per cube. So, To find dA over dt, we can make relation like this. dA over dt equal to dA over dx multiplied with dx over dt. We need to multiply because when we cancel out this and this two, we can get the same, which is dA over dt. So, first thing, we need to find the volume of x so we can use it in the next equation. To find the value of x, we need to use the formula volume because we already know the value of the volume, which is 36. So, the volume formula for a cuboid is length times width times height. So, length is 2x multiplied with width, x multiplied with height, 2 equal to 36. So, we will get 4x squared equal to 36. Then, simplify this equation and we will get x equal to 3. Based on the relation just now, we know that dx over dt is 0.1, but we don't know dA over dt. So, we need to find that. So, area for cuboid is length times width. Look back at the cuboid in the question. The part having the same shape has 2 in the cuboid. This shape is the same as this shape. This shape with this and this shape with this. So, we can write A equal to 2 in bracket 2 multiplied with 2x plus 2x multiplied with x plus 2 multiplied with x. So, A equal to 4x squared plus 12x. Then, differentiate A, we can get dA over dt equal to x, 8x plus 12. I stop here because I want you all to try to solve the problem. The final answer is 0.36 m squared hash negative 1. Use all the points or values that we have searched before to get the final answer. And we are done. I would like to say thank you to Calculus News because allowing me to help solve the question. I hope everyone in this world can change the perception that says maths is very difficult. Hashtag maths is easy. Bye!
Thank you, Prof. Nisa, for helping the student with her problem by solving half of the question. I heard from NURIN and SOFIA that the student is now struggling answering another half of the question. NURIN and SOFIA have the report.
Okay, so I have understand what the professor has explained to me. So I will continue the working and find the answer. So first, dA over dt is equal to dx over dt times with dA over dx. And then 0 dx over dt is 0.01 times 8x plus 12. And then we just copy 0.01 times 8x, we substitute with 3 plus 12. And then we calculate the answer. Okay, then we got the answer 0.36 meters square. So I got the answer.
Yes, finally I got the answer for this question. Thank you so much, Professor, for helping me and my friends to solve this question. So now I gain more confidence to answer our quiz tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Professor Nisa, for helping the students to solve the problem of differentiation. Those who says application of differentiation are irrelevant and unimportant in our daily life. Finding a rate at which a quantity changes by comparing it to other quantities whose rates of change are known is referred to as related rates issue. Usually, the rate of change is measured in terms of time. As a consequence, we can count the difference in modification with precision. For example, we can use application of differentiation to determine the speed or distance covered, such as miles per hour, kilometer per hour. Without this method, how do we want to know the distance of a place, and at the same time we cannot estimate the cost of our trip? So think about it.
That's all for today's news. Before our end, we will leave you with a short video about a few students teaching their friends about thermal physics. Assalamualaikum and good night.